Astro-controlled drone, featuring infrared obstacle avoidance sensing, air pressure altitude hold, gravity sensing, etc. New technology. Before playing, remember to charge the aircraft to make sure the battery is fully charged. Then press and hold the power switch for 2 seconds to turn on the aircraft. Then place it on a flat desktop and wait for the indicator light to be solid bright for aircraft horizontal calibration. After calibration, put the aircraft in the palm and keep it as flat as possible, and then gently throw it up, and it will automatically take off. This smart drone has multiple built-in infrared sensing points, which allow you to hand sensing or obstacle sensing and control the flight. Astro-controlled drone is suitable for 2 to 4 players for interactive playing in an open and windless indoor environment. When it is unobstructed for a long time, about 15 seconds, it will automatically slow down and fly down. You can also enjoy at about 15 seconds of sensing flight in a certain height of the air. When you need to stop it, just directly grab it by hand and then turn it over 90 degrees to stop the flight. When trying to take it off again, just place the aircraft horizontally on your hand and gently throw it up to take off. If the aircraft accidentally crashes and stops working, press the power button twice and wait for the aircraft to recalibrate horizontally again, and you can enjoy the wonderful flight experience again. With Astro-controlled drone, you can fly to sky and enjoy the beautiful view freely.